What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday, 24th of March. Today, guys, we're going to go through our live trading sessions step by step. And just like always, we're going to go through the finding of the stocks, picking of the stocks, the analysis, the execution of the trade, and also showing you guys the results of this chat room because I know you guys get motivated for the day. So we are in a bear market. We are in a market where stocks behaviors has changed the way they move. So I want to talk to you about my thinking process. Now, obviously the news is what moves stocks, and our strategy is based on the news. But when the news is changed and the catalyst changes, you have to change your analysis and your thinking process. And that's what we're going to talk about today before market open. Let's get right into it, guys, and hopefully you learn a thing or two. Okay, guys, so just like always, one simple laptop, one simple strategy, one broker. Now, the strategy is this, guys. At the moment, we're in a market crash and a bear market. In a bear market, what happens, like I said in the last two videos, we have dead cat bounces. So what a dead cat bounce is, and I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is today, and I'm also gonna show you the chat room and the results for today, because I'm very confident in the outcome. Understanding the past behaviors in the last couple of weeks, we understand that even after a pump where majority of stocks shoot up on value due to the overall news in the market, which is what we had yesterday, Donald Trump hyping up the market, and investors get hope, but it's a dead cat bounce because there's a lot of uncertainty still in the background. There is no actual figures, there is no actual numbers to back it up. So again, what happens is markets will come back down. So that is the psychological thinking behind our trade today. Again, we're gonna have to use price action to help us and assist us, etc., etc. So we're gonna be focusing on a sector which is directly impacted by the coronavirus, and that sector, no matter what news comes out, it will always suffer on market open. And again, our strategy is to trade the first 5-10 minutes, right? Quick robbery, 1 to 3%, we take it, we walk away, which is what we're gonna do today. So let's come back to the computer. Let's dive right in, guys. Market open soon, and let me show you what I'm talking about, and hopefully you learn a thing or two. And if you're made it this far, smashy, show your boys some love, smash that like button, because that tells me that you guys want more videos like this. So let's get right into it, guys. So let's find the stocks that we're gonna be watching. And we're gonna be watching the cruise line, just like I said, the cruise line sector, because it's impacted already by the virus. And if you remember my last analysis in the last video, I talked about exactly why I'll be shorting this, and this kind of sector is really struggling and will be struggling for the next while. So it's up 17%, Carnival Corporation, CCL, simple Google search. I'm gonna show you the simple way of doing things. Now you can use scanners if you want and whatnot, but let's make it simple here. This is a stock I'm gonna be focused on. I actually shared this with the chat room. This is my chat room. You're also gonna see the results in a few minutes when we execute the trade. So I always share this analysis before market open, tell them exactly my thinking and the stocks that I'm gonna be watching. And obviously they execute it based on what they learned in the course. So that's the stock we're gonna be watching, CCL. It's already up 17% before market open. And just like you've seen yesterday, this chart, it will drop on market open and then it might continue later on, gets pumped upwards, but that's none of my business. By that time I would have taken my position and I would have been out, right? So 5-10 minutes is all we have in this trade, and that's all we need anyway. So let's get right into it, guys. Hopefully everybody gets to do well, and hopefully this video motivates you and educates you. Alright, so I'm looking at this stock, guys, CCL, and I'm looking and waiting at the price, looking at the price action, and I'm waiting for a certain thing to happen here before pulling the trigger. When it comes to price action, I'm just watching the price. So one more and I'm entering a short position. No. 1,000 shares. Although I'm trading CFDs, guys, you can be trading shares also. A lot in the chat room trade shares. I just find it easier with CFDs. So there we go. I'm in, guys, 1,000 shares. As soon as I broke a round figure, and remember that's a rule that I'm following, the round figure rule. So we're up now $150, $160 as you can see. And I'm gonna be looking to add more here, maybe another 500 shares. Okay, like I said, this is gonna be quick, guys. Quick, very volatile, very intense here. I'll be lying if I tell you I'm not kind of nervous, but here we go, guys. So we're up now 320, 350. Okay, 500. Dear Lord, have mercy. Come on, Cletus. All right. One more. Right, 800 bucks, guys, as you can see. I'm gonna liquidate 1,000 shares soon here. Okay, 1,000 shares, and I'll walk away with 1,000 shares, and I'll have 500 left. All right, I'm gonna exit. We're up now $900. I'm gonna exit 500 shares here. So I've just took 500 shares out. Now we've got 1,000 shares left, and basically right, I'm out. All right, let's have a look at the chat room. What? Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. See this CCL green, green, green. Here's 300 bucks. Well done, guys. That's what I like seeing. This was such a well done. There's more coming here. It's just like that, guys. There's $1,200 from you guys. Well done. That's what I like seeing. It's such a scary trade because it's such a volatile, but our analysis was correct. That's all that matters. We executed the trade, based it on the price action, the psychology, and also the fundamentals. Well done. That's what I like seeing. I seen somebody mention my name. Love you too, buddy. So this trade was just over $600, guys, and that took us 4 minutes. Well done. I'm happy to see everybody do well. Now the reason why I took it quick was because, like I said, the pump comes after. After every dump, there's a pump. Obviously there'll be more on the chat room typing, but green means profit, and the percentage is how much they took from that stock, percent-wise. So 3%, 1%. Some people, you know, $1,000 here, 1,200. Well done, troops. Same stock, like I said, we directed our trade towards the weakest sector, the weak link. Well done. So that's the way we do this, guys. The strategy is going to be the same for weeks to come. Pump, dump, and we're going to play it based on the psychology and price action. And when the market goes back to normal, we'll be back to earner reports. Nothing has changed. The only thing that changes here is the catalyst that we're using. All right, so as you can see, guys, more profit coming in from the chat room. Hopefully this motivates you. Hopefully this, you know, the last couple of weeks, matter of fact, we've been doing better, and the reward was even better than usual when it comes to the stock market, even with high cap stocks, just because majority of stocks have crashed. So if you know how to play this, now look, some people who don't know what's going on in the market would have bought the stocks when they seen the pump happening. But we went on our own, right, and execute the trade on our own terms with the strategy that I've been teaching them, which is based on psychology and patterns. So guys, I'll leave this here. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, show your boy some love, and I'll see you again for more videos just like always. Follow me on Instagram if you want. I usually share these results on Instagram and on my YouTube story if I'm not making a video, although we're trading every single day in the background when I'm not making a video. So yeah, love seeing everybody do well, love seeing everybody eat, love seeing everybody kill it. Even though the strategy sounds simple, when you're confident and you're simplifying everything is easy. But the only hardest part is the emotions. Alright, gotta go. See you again, guys, just like always. Don't forget that likey. Don't you forget that likey. Peace.